I'm gonna skip this cutscene. This does nothing. Oh, that's it? Yay. Anything in here? Maybe in the shower? Ooh, a hammer. Oh, I know exactly what to use this for. Let's get there.
Oh, the front door closed.
Granny? Wait, that's Grandpa! Ugh, I missed.
What are you doing here?
You don't like, get out. Get out, Dad. That's not my dad, that's my grandpa. No, that's, shut up. Grandpa is weird. Yeah, shut up, Grandpa. I got you. Okay. Let's get to that place, okay? Let's do this. Let's go do this. Okay. Let's do this. Yes. Now, what the? Granny really upgraded her security, I guess. Well, it's time to go. Okay. I missed. Oh. Let me use this side. Okay. Skibbity Skylo will be mine. If I break this one piece, a lot of it's gonna fall. Okay, yeah, I'm fine. I think that kind of holds that too. I knew it. Oh my gosh. Granny, I was gonna say I'm here and you were gonna say just a minute, dear, but apparently there was no deer, it was just like wood and hammer time. You know what? I don't even want to say goodbye. I have so much planks right now, like, I have more planks than in Minecraft, you know? Like, Granny, there was no just a minute deer in that sentence. There was some just a minute deer. Yeah, I give up. Granny. Oh, can I just escape now? Okay, come on, please tell me. I need a rusty pal. Come on! I did all of that. Okay. Granny. You're actually starting to make me mad. Granny. Oh, Granny. Please. Oh, cutting pliers of heaven. Okay, that's a good idea. Let's go cut some blue wires. Hey, Diamond. Cutting pliers. You know, I hate getting trapped in this house. But why do I keep getting trapped in this house in the day? Normally it's always scary at nighttime. I'm supposed to be at Granny's house, not Daddy's house. How the heck did a crowbar get out here? That was not there. Whatever. Okay. Just need to go cut some blue wires. Okay. Okay, I think I still need to cut the blue wires because it'll still affect this. And need some. Oh, these are basically chain cutters. Oh, yes, okay. All I gotta do is cut these blue wires. These are actual wires. Oh. Apparently it's just wires of tape. Now I can probably leave, but I still need a padlock key. But there is no such thing as an actual padlock key in this place. What else can I find? Nothing in there. Pliers, which is chain cutters, not useful at all. Anything here? a remote control, which is access to a room. Okay. I hope there's something in here. I found this DVD. There's a vacuum cleaner. This is basically just a storage room. What's that? It's a paint cleaner thingy. And we'll go in here. I knew Grandpa listened to some music, but I didn't know he shaved his beard. Well, I should go get that crowbar now because I know exactly what to do with it. I don't think this was here earlier, right? I don't know. Let's go find out. Diamond, you want to come out? Okay, whatever. Come on, come outside. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. I won't hurt you. I want to hurt you. Just kidding. Jeez, I dropped it. Now, what do I do with the crowbar? Do I open this? No, I can't open that. Skibbity Skylo will be mine. Wait, this was unlocked, but I also need a padlock key? Take this out. Put this back on. You know. Where's Diamond barking at? Okay. Gasoline can, which is the car, but I need something else. The crowbar. Like, what does the crowbar do? Like, do I get something? Dude, what the? Okay, that's what the crowbar does. That does nothing. It does nothing. Absolutely nothing. I'll just place my crowbar right here. Yeah, it looks absolutely normal. It doesn't look like someone just put it there. It's like it naturally spawned. That's a vent. I don't really know what to do with the crowbar. I'll just drop it. Okay, let's go find a way out. Oh yeah, I need that rusty padlock key. But where's the rusty padlock key? I can escape. I could escape. Yeah, Diamond, I could escape. Wait, where's the gasoline used for the? Just for the mower. Maybe with the mower, find something in the mower. The mower can mow the lawn. I don't know. He's got. I thought this was the gate on that over earlier. Where is that padlock key? Okay, where is that padlock key? Where is that padlock key? Nothing in there. Nothing in there. I hear noises. Grandpa's kind of blind, so I could just like go in here and sneak up and steal the key. There's nothing in here. So where's the key? Hey, Dad. Hey, Tess. Where's the key? Where is that key? So maybe there's something over here. Maybe a wrench? Yeah! Yes. Screwdriver. Come outside, Diamond. Boop. Now this stops the I don't really know what this is for. But like, I know it's used for something. Jeez. Actually, I shouldn't put it there. Sometimes Diamond will grab my wrench. Screwdriver. Sometimes I can use a screwdriver for. Like, let's get this thing open over here. Gotta unscrew this. Gotta crouch. What is it? It was one of these things. Or is it this one? Is it? Oh, I think it's this one. I crouch, right? Yeah. A skibbity skylo will be mine. Let's see. Oh. Okay, what I'll do is now I need to find that rusty padlock key. Okay, Diamond, let's go inside. Let's go back inside, you know? So where could a rusty padlock key be? Here's Skylar meowing. It's Diamond. It's Diamond. Of course it's gotta be Diamond. Diamond. I'm messing with her. Yeah. Hey, you wanna mess with me? Huh? Where's the rusty padlock key? I feel like I checked every place. There's a coin under there. Underwear. No, shut up. Where is the rusty padlock key? I feel like Grip is on vacation. He just is like deaf and he can't see me. Need to find the weapon key. Not weapon key, but like. Wait, I remember you. Aren't you that one Hammer's girlfriend? I feel like you are. Let me find out. Kind of looks like a crowbar, bro. Shut up. No. Oh, dang it. I thought I could make you shut up. How about you shut up? Ugh. You cheated on him. You know I could just disappear, right? Wait, what? Oh, whatever. Everything keeps disappearing. Gibbity Skylar will be mine. Alpha Sigma time. Looking at your mom and she's fine. Okay, I gotta find the rusty padlock key. I give up. I'm just kidding. I will never give up. If I don't find that rusty padlock key, I won't find any rusty padlock key. Hey Tyson, have you seen a rusty padlock key? Oh, I don't think that's a yes. Where's that rusty padlock key? Rusty padlock key, rusty padlock key. No rusty padlock key. No rusty padlock key. Ah! No rusty. No rusty. Why do I feel like it's gotta be over here? Crouch! Maybe it's in here? Well, let's find out. Skylar will be mine. Where's that rusty padlock key? What the heck? Let's go find it. Maybe it is in here? No. This rusty padlock key is dumb. I feel like there's no rusty padlock key. I almost checked every place in this entire house, and there is no rusty padlock key.